Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name is Ed Miles and this is the new for 2018 Avantour Evo boot from FALCO. Now the Avantour Evo boot replaces our ever popular Avantour boot, which actually won the ABR recommended award last year. So it's a really nice quality boot and it's been recommended by the press in this specific enduro style area. So let me talk you through a few of the features. It's a full leather upper. Again, normally with this type of boot you're going to get a plastic material, but with this you're getting a fully breathable leather upper. Inside, high-tex membrane, fully breathable as well, so you should be able to get, when you're working hard off-road on those sort of trails, you should be able to get heat out your feet and the sweat out of that area, stop it getting clammy inside there. You get full breathability. Running around to the front of the boot, D3O built into this boot, so you're getting that British high-quality armour running down the front, on the heel and the ankle area. So on the heel and the ankle area and running down the front, you're getting that good armour protection. Two adjusters on the side, again as you'd expect this type of boot, they're aluminium finished, so they're a high-quality alu product. As you can see running on the strap at the bottom, you've got a small deflector plate, so when you are running through those more wooded areas, if you do catch something, it's not going to hit your clip and undo your boot. So you've got that deflector plate, a lovely little touch. Gear change pad, as you would expect in all these types of boot, around the front, and a toe protection plate as well. If I run back around to the side, built inside this boot you have got a fully CE approved product. So it is level 2 all the way through. So that's the highest CE approval you can get with the boot. It's made in Italy, so you're going to get that quality you would expect from an Italian made product. Running down to the sole, we're using a welded sole now, so it's a high quality, oil and water resistant sole. If I tip it up the other way, you can see you've got loads of grip areas, different density areas. The bit that sits on the peg is a harder density than the other part, so you're getting better grip in the areas you need it, and a harder, more hard wearing sole in the areas that you don't need so much grip. Running back to the top, as I say, you've got a lovely leather piece running around the top and a pull-on tab on the side of the boot as well. Fully articulated around the back, so you're getting the support laterally that you need, but you've got the articulation running forward that you need when you're riding the bike. So this is an all singing, all dancing, off-road style boot from FALCO, made in Italy with a German waterproof membrane. For any more information on this product, please go to tranam.co.uk or check out our Facebook site, Bikerheadz.